Hey guys, if you've been having problems with your Speedybee TX800, I've seen lots of people have a very hard time trying to unlock this VTX, and currently I have a problem where it goes back to the 25 milliwatt, so I have to manually always put it into 800. From a small little search, I found this. I'm gonna come right back to here after. I want to show you exactly what the problem is and what's going on.
So now when I plug this in, if it is on 800, the yellow light should be solid. So you see there's a light over here that should be solid, but guess what? It's not on. And then what I have to do is hold it for 10 seconds. Even though it's not locked, it shouldn't be. See, now after holding it for 10 seconds, it goes into 800. But I have to do this every single time that I turn it on. It's wired up properly, the proper preset is on, everything is fine. But at any time that I disconnect it and then plug it again, it resets back to 25 milliwatts. There you go, it's off again. You see what I mean? So I'm not the only one with this problem. There's lots of people with this problem, and it isn't that easy to figure out because the explanation in the manual doesn't talk about that or teach anything of that, and I know several people have stopped using this VTX because of this.
So let's see what we're gonna do, okay? It says that it's a known issue. Let's see if we can fix it. Modifying this, it won't take effect after restarting. Yes, this is my problem. Set the number to 5 and the 5th to the invalid 88888. Okay, so we make 600, 800, and then we go 888. Okay, let's do this. So 5, or make 888, and the value 888, and then we're gonna go to 4, and we're gonna change, no, it's 608. Okay, set the power value to 800 and save. So I copied this table from here and I put that into the diff and I saved as well. But what ended up doing it for me is it wouldn't save or change it when the VTX was off. You have to plug your VTX, make sure it's set to 800, and then put the settings in. And that's what ended up doing it for me. But this might have had a part in it too. I'm not totally sure. So maybe don't copy and paste this if you don't have to. I'm just showing you exactly what I did, and it's working now. So it turns out that if you're in the same situation as me, you have to make sure first that it's unlocked and that you get it to the 800 milliwatts like I did, right? So you hold it down till it goes to 800 milliwatts. If it's locked in 25 or not on or whatever, it won't work through Betaflight. So first you do what I did before, you plug it in and you make sure that you get it to 800 milliwatts. Then you plug it into Betaflight. You change the 5th value to 888 and the power value to 888. Wait, was it the power value and yeah, you change the last power, you change the 600 to 800 and you make the 800 to 888 and the 800 value underneath it 888 as you saw in the thing. Then you make sure that it's on 800. Change it to like the power level of 25 that you can make sure that you see the power level changing in it. Then save it at 800. Then save it on 888 and then it should work. So now when we plug it in, you see the orange light up top? It's at 800. I don't have to manually fix it every single time. I was able to find out because some of you people online, thank you to everyone who's just kind. You know, it's not that hard. We're doing something we love. We're enjoying things. We're discovering things. This hobby can be really challenging sometime. And like, how many of you have been helped by someone online, by a total stranger that isn't even like part of a big company? I know I have, and I appreciate every single one of you people that have helped me, and I try my best to help you guys.